Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's Kitchen. I'm Farkhanda and today I'm making a very healthy chicken, pepper and onion medley with a healthy side dish. Instead of pasta or rice, I'm serving this chicken dish with quinoa. It is known as superfood as it is packed with protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. I have here 3/4 cups of quinoa. Before I start cooking it, I'll have to rinse it with cold water as the outer layer of the quinoa is quite bitter. To cook the quinoa, I have here 1.5 cups of water and I'm going to use few dashes of seasoned salt. For the main dish, I have here 2 chicken breasts which I cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons of oil. 2 bell peppers, 1 red and 1 yellow, also cut into bite-sized pieces. 1.5 tablespoons of Nando's medium peri-peri sauce. Half a teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon of Italian herb mix. 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. 2 small onions cut into medium-sized chunks. 3 cloves of garlic chopped coarsely. And I have taken half of a jalapeno pepper which I chopped very finely. We are going to start by cooking the quinoa as it's going to take longer than the chicken to cook. For that, I added 1.5 cups of water in a pan and then put it on medium-high heat and added about 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt. And then I added the rinsed quinoa. Mixed it and then waited for it to come to a boil. It has taken about 1 minute to come to a boil. At this stage, I reduced the heat from medium-high to medium-low. It has been 1.5 minutes since the quinoa came to a boil, and at this stage, as you can see, it has started to absorb some water and grow in size. I reduced the heat to extremely low, covered it and let it cook. While the quinoa was cooking, I placed a heavy bottom pan on high heat and added about a tablespoon of oil. After the oil was hot enough, I added the chicken and cooked it for about 3 minutes. In those 3 minutes, the chicken lost its moisture and started to brown a little. At that stage, I took the chicken out and added another tablespoon of oil to the pan. Added the chopped garlic and then sauteed it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Added the onions and sauteed them with the garlic for another 30 seconds. And then added the tomato puree and the bell peppers. Salt. The Italian herb mix. And the chopped jalapeno peppers. We want the vegetables to stay crunchy. So I just mixed them and cooked them for about half a minute as they are going to cook with the chicken as well. Added the chicken with all its juices, mixed it with the vegetables and cooked it for about 2 to 3 minutes. The chicken is almost ready. It looks a little bit dry to me, so I did add a couple of tablespoons of water. Covered it and let it cook for another 2 minutes. The last thing I did was add the 1.5 tablespoon of the Nando's sauce. You can increase or decrease the amount of the sauce. And here you have it, our chicken, pepper and onion medley with Italian herbs and Portuguese hot sauce is ready. While I was making the chicken, the quinoa had been steaming on the back burner, and as you can see, it's now perfectly cooked. You can have this healthy meal ready in no time at all. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and by pressing the bell icon button, you can get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!